All right, let's learn how to take a screenshot with the Microsoft Snipping tool. I'm going to click on the Windows Start button and start typing snip. And you'll see that the snipping tool pops right up. I'll start it here. You'll see that there are a few options along the top. There is a mode. The rectangular snip will allow you to select a portion of the screen. The window snip will allow you to select an entire window. Right now we're going to use the rectangular snip. There is also a delay option, which can be handy if you need to capture menus that don't open unless you're hovering. You can tell it to delay for a few seconds before it makes a capture. So I've already made a capture here when I selected the mode. Otherwise you would click New to start a capture. Let's just do that. I'll click New, start over, click New, it takes the capture, there we go. And then I can select the area of the screen that I want to capture. And there's my screenshot. Now I can click Save As to save a copy for later. Just a note about file formats. If you have a picture that has a lot of flat areas of color, like a window on a screen without gradients or photographic images, PNG is a really excellent format, very efficient. Otherwise, if you have photographs or anything like that, then a JPEG is a much more efficient format. So right now I don't have a lot of crazy colors or photos. I'm going to choose PNG and then click Save. There you go.